Grandpa, it's so cool. It's like a train. Thank you. Wow. Yeah, that's so cool. Thank you. Pasalamat ka. Here are my manual workers. Oh, you just back up? Thank you, Grandpa! Hindi marinig eh. Thank you! Thanks! Thanks a lot! Here, my manual workers. Boo, say hi! Boo would say hi.
Video?
Hi.
Hi.
Daddy, say hi. Daddy. Daddy, say hi.
Hi. Video mo siya, video mo siya.
I did. Look at Grandpa looking cool. Pasalamat ka. My two workers are busy.
I think his name is George.
You sure?
Yeah. That's what Mike was telling me. Ako na dyan, te. Dito ako na lang.
Hi, Mike. Good morning.
Hey, Mike, what's up? Te.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have you on video.